announcing 6 specific measures today. The total value of the measures we are announcing today, including the already announced electricity credit, is €505 million. The first of these is the decision to increase the energy credit announced in December from €100 excluding VAT to €200 inclusive of VAT. This is a one-off measure to assist all households with their energy bills and will be applied in the March-April billing cycle. We've also decided to make a one-off payment of €125 to recipients of the fuel allowance. The working family payment is a tax-free payment made to lower-income families with children. As an in-work scheme, it represents a very effective anti-poverty measure. We're bringing forward a planned increase of €10 in the weekly threshold announced on budget day to the 1st of April. We've decided to reduce the threshold for the drugs payment scheme from €100 monthly to €80 monthly. The level was already reduced in the budget from €114 per month to €100. We're going a step further by providing a discount of 20% on PSO public transport fares. This will be a time-limited incentive to the end of the current year. Finally, we're making a significant change to the school transport scheme. The cap currently stands at €220 per family at primary level and €650 per family at post-primary level. A reduced cap of €500 per family at post-primary level and €150 per family at primary level will now be implemented.